In this video, I'll walk you through 3 different types of modifications that completely transform a furniture piece from dated to modern designer. Hi, I'm Lana, and together, let's make something beautiful, something made for you. Let's start with one of the most impactful ways you can modernize your furniture, removing outdated trim. Basic tools like a hammer, something that you can use to pry things off, and a set of pliers is all you typically need. After removing the decorative trim, it's a good idea to fill the holes, but in this case, I used some glue and some fluting to cover them. Next, let's talk about legs. Whether you're removing outdated ones, adding new ones, or creating your own, changing the base of your furniture can make a dramatic difference. Sometimes you need to add a little bit of extra wood or MDF in order to level out the base before you can add the new legs, which was the case with these oversized end tables. If you can't find the exact legs you're looking for, you can always paint them and install them in a way that allows them to appear how you wanted them to in the first place. These legs have been inset slightly so that you don't actually see the triangle shape. I've made these wooden legs a few times. I use a square baluster, cut it with my miter saw, and then use L brackets to attach it to the inside edge of the base of the nightstands. Finally, let's talk hardware. From cleaning and refinishing what you have to replacing altogether, I'll walk you through all the methods that I use. going to be moving the hardware into a different placement, I want to make sure that the holes are filled and the surface is smooth. So I use Bondo first, apply it to the hardware holes, and before it's completely dry, I scrape it back. After that, I apply some wood filler. Once the wood filler is dry, I make sure to sand it smooth. After that, I use clear shellac to seal it or a shellac-based primer. Then I measure the hole spacing, use my punch, drill the holes, and do a final coat of paint. Let's quickly recap 3 of the projects that I showed in this video. The apothecary nightstands, where I removed the legs and changed the hardware using the same holes. The mahogany dresser, where I removed all of the hardware, cleaned it, and then spray painted it. You may have noticed this project in every chapter because it uses all 3 techniques, but it didn't stop there. If you're ready for more advanced modifications like reshaping the silhouette and adding fluting to the drawers, then be sure to check out this full makeover video. You don't need a lot of power tools or fancy equipment to make your furniture feel new again. Just make some of these smart swaps and changes. I hope this has inspired you to try some pieces of your own. Full makeover videos and product links are in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more flips and tips.